I'm fine, my beautiful one. Not so much is happening around the palace today. I just miss you and wish that you were here with me.
My prince.
Hold on a second. Okay. Yeah. What is it?
Breakfast is ready and everybody's waiting for you.
Alright, I'll join you.
Okay.
My love. You were saying? That you love to stop by, huh? You know I love that very much, don't you? The breakfast is served, yes. I'll have to come.
Ilbe, where's my car key? I can't find it when I kept it onto the table. Where is it? Are you trying to tell me that my car key grew wings and flew?
I don't know.
So you're telling me that my car key grew wings and flew? Now get up and give my key, you witch!
Me, witch?
Yes!
John, it is your mother, your sisters, and entire villages that are witches and wizards.
Are you mad? Are you stupid to your mom to insult my parents? Are you stupid?
Dad, good morning.
Son?
Nice stuff.
Son? Sit, let's have it. It's getting cold.
How are you feeling today, Father?
A lot better. I have something very important to say after this breakfast.
My king, I hope it's going to be good news. We are tired of stress.
Yes, it is. But where is your son, Afam?
He will soon come back.
He has to be here. Because what I want to say is so important to me that it will serve as my last wish and will. It is so important that I'm ready to defend it with my life. Let's eat.
Choma, don't tell me you're beefing me just because of what happened last night.
Listen, let me tell you. By the time I collect my salary for this month, I will leave this work for you. I will leave it for you to continue with your eye service.
Choma, it hasn't gotten to that now.
It has gotten to that and even more. Before one day I will be sleeping and you will use pillow to be warming. Did you pillow be warm? No.
Hey! Look at Choma. Hey!
I heard voices. What is the problem?
She said she will leave this palace for us after this month. She even said I will kill her while at sleep. Me!
And what kind of talk is that?
Ask me, oh! Ask me! I won't be advising this girl. Obviously, she is not a good person. It's obvious.
Advice kill you there.
What are you doing here?
And what does it look like to you? Madam, what do you want to buy?
I asked you a simple question. What are you doing in my man's shop? Where is Emeka?
See, if you don't want me to tear you apart, you better just take this your two leg and get out from here. What's your problem?
Tear who apart? Tear me apart?
I'll tear you apart.
Hey! Emeka!
When you are tired of shouting, you leave.
Who cares you?
What's going on?
Biko, what's she doing here? What's she doing in Mama's shop?
Yeah, I don't know. If Brother Emeka comes back, both of you can ask him. Yeah, I don't know.
And where is Brother Emeka, your Brother Emeka?
I don't know.
You asking questions. Your man.
Are you for real? Who are you?
I don't care what you were doing. Neither did I say you should not do your job well. What I am telling you is that if this repeats itself and you happen to be the only person with him, then you will have to explain a lot of things to me. Else, I will deal with you.
My princess, I don't get it.
If you say that to me again, I will smack your head. Are you a fool? If you were sent to the palace to kill my father, tell them you did not see him. Tell them you can't do it better. Resign. All other maidens have been working here before you came here. And since you came here, you have been showing yourself as the best maiden. Are you a fool?
Somebody tell me, I'm sure I've done nothing wrong.
God, what did I do to these people? What wrong did I do? What wrong did I do? What wrong did I do today? What did I do?
You're crying.
What did I do?
I saw the princess leaving. Were you the one she was yelling at? What happened?
I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm just going to leave this palace.
It's okay. Do not cry, okay? Listen, they are done eating. And there is no soup for us to do the dishes. Can you please hurriedly get one by the kiosk outside?
I don't have any money. Do you have money?
What is it? What is it? You people should stop this. Huh? What is that? You people should stop this.
Okay, take it. Me, down. You are the one that will leave this shop. Else, I will divide you into two. Look at this money. You don't need to.
In fact, what is going on here? Where's the maker? Where's the maker?
He's not around. He went to the city to see his sister. He told me personally to stay in the shop, and this fool came here to fight me.
Me fool? Me fool? Okay. I will show you what fool
Come.
can do.
Wait.
Okay.
But Emeka did not tell me that he's traveling. How come?
It was urgent. He had to go.
It was urgent. And you people were urgently fighting.
Grace, let me tell you, I don't care about you feel. Emeka is my guy. I will break. You want to fight? I will kill you.
Okay. It's okay. Grace, Ifeoma.
I will teach you.
Listen. Grace, I will teach you. Ifeoma, you people should stop fighting. In fact, you people should stop fighting.
Well, let me teach you.
No. Gandala na happen. In fact, let me call Emeka my guy.
Let me call Emeka.
You don't fight again. Let's fight now. Let's fight.
Anyway, I don't have time for this one. I will have to go. When Emeka comes back, he will explain to me. what
all this explain. You come and fight. You want to fight? Fight.
It's okay.
Hey,
It's okay.
Giant, come and fight.
Oh
yeah, come and be going. You don't know how to put your mat in shoe. Be going, Oga. Be going.
I don't have your time, baby. Because do you have anything that you give me? Let me.
What I'm about to say now may sound a little awkward, but that is my wish. I have given it a serious thought, and after careful consideration, I have come up with this decision. I want one of my sons to get married to Chioma, the maid.
What?
Chioma is a good girl, beautiful and well-mannered. From the moment she walked into this palace, I have been observing her. I know it is hard, but any of my sons who gets married to her will get half of my wealth.
And I will make sure he does not regret it.
I don't know what I did to everybody in that palace. Even the maids, the queens, the prince. I've not seen one of the princes. He's not yet back. I don't even know the way he's going to treat me when he comes back. I don't know. I don't know.
What do we do? What do we do? God, what is this? What is this? Chioma, that palace is the only place you can walk to get money to go back to school. What do we do?
Mama, with the way I'm seeing things, after this month I'll resign. I'll go and look for work elsewhere. And if I don't see where to work, I'll come back and stay with you and assist you in your farm work.
God forbid. Don't you ever say it. Mbana, don't repeat it. Farm work. How? Chioma, farm work will make you lose your looks. The sun will turn your skin. You'll become ugly. Mbana. My dear, listen to me. I want you to forget about whatever they are doing to you in that palace. Don't look at them. Don't think about it. And if you listen to me, I want you to position yourself where the king will not see you and begin to ask you to go and get him something or water. Before they say you want to sleep with the king, Bikokwa.
Mama, I can't do that. That man is a good man. A very good man. He's like a father to me. I can't do that. I can't, Mama. I can't.
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. Listen. Calm down. Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. Oh? For my sake and that of your academics, please continue to work there. Pico. Chioma, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for making you pass through all this. I'm sorry.
Mama, it's not your fault. There's no need to be sorry. Oh, don't worry. Everything will be fine. By the time I go back to school and become a lawyer, we're going to fight those our uncles. Because they're the reason why we are suffering.
It's okay.
They're the reason we're in this village. Everything.
Your Majesty cannot be serious with this. This is too extreme.
That is it. I am serious about it. There is nothing any of you will do for me tomorrow that I will value if not to marry Chioma. Then I will be very happy that one of my sons is married to a good woman. And when I am gathered unto my ancestors, I will be happy to go.
Your Majesty, I am sorry. My son Chima already has a woman he wants to get married to. What are we going to do?
I will not stop him from marrying his woman. But this is my wish which I have just declared, and I am bent on it. Woman, will you talk to your son, or he has a woman to marry also?
No, Your Majesty. I will talk to him about it.
God bless you.
Very useless, oh. Useless man. I don't even.
Yes, come in. I don't land.
How are you now?
My sister
a shop. From my shop. Yes. Yes. I say what? How are you?
I'm fine, no.
My in-law said that my sister will not rest in her husband's house. Or Mammy. Or Mammy, he will not try it. Where is he?
He's not around though. He's not around. My dear, sit down. Let me bring you.
He's not around.
Hey.
I'm going outside to wait for him. I'm waiting for him outside. No. I need to wait for him outside so that by the time he's coming back, he will see me and he will see Trump.
Emeka.
Amanda, your father is full of surprises. But this one is way out of it. How could he say a thing like this?
That girl is a witch. She has bewitched Daddy. Ordinary maid. I am surprised, Mom.
Afam will never agree to this. How do I convince him into marrying a common maid? A common maid.
Mom, we have to do something. We can't allow Prince Chima take half of Daddy's wealth. We can't. You and I know very well that Queen Mother will do anything to make her son take half of Daddy's empire. We won't allow that.
You are right. You are right. Afam, where's my phone?
Totally unacceptable, mother. This is totally... How can father come up with such senseless idea? Don't tell me to hush it, Mom. How can he force that local village maid on me, Mom? This is the 21st century. And we as a people have rights to our own choices. I'm an adult, Mom. And when it comes to choosing a life partner, it's totally my choice, my decision. That's how it works. Goodness me, what is this now? Come on. Listen, I don't care who she is. I don't care what happens. I'm not doing it. Chama, or whatever her name is, can go to hell and burn.
No. You must do as your father has said. Chima, you know what is at stake?
I don't know.
It is about you losing half of your father's empire to Tina and Afam Hassan. Think about it. It is no longer about you. It is about you losing what rightfully belongs to you as the heir.
Mother, how about my happiness? How about what I want? How about Mildred? How about her? That girl is a good girl. I love her. She does not deserve this kind of betrayal, Mom.
They have. Yes. Everyone has a price. Find out her price and pay her. She's happy, you are happy. Don't display weakness now, because you are not a weakling. For love is for weaklings. My son, you are a brave man. So display that bravery now. Come on.
I need to have a conversation with my father, Mom.
No, I say no to that. You cannot disturb your father over such trivial matters. Chima, come on. This is a game now. Tell your father you're a game master. Chima, you're not my son anymore. Udobuman. Oporok. Take up the challenge. Be wise. And show everyone that you have the key. Victory, and every benefit that is accrued with that relationship. I, your mother, know me. I know how to play this game and play it right. I will follow you all the way, for you shall win, and you shall win. Over Tina and her son, we shall laugh together. Come on! When did it become like this? I know you. Tell them that we are more than conquerors. Chima, is it not you again? Take up this challenge. Trust me. We'll be happy ever after.
He might be busy now.
Busy?
Yes.
How is what we don't have? Afam? Hello, Afam? Afam?
Mom is calling my phone. Hello, brother Afam. Oh, you're on your way? Nice one. You must be here now if you don't want to regret it later. Oh, yes. Mom, he's on his way.
Oh, God. Thank you so much. God, don't let my son disappoint me.
He won't, Mom. Even if he has a girl on his mind, you must cut it off.
God, show her for me.
Okay, Mom.
It's okay.
Anastasia, whenever I say something to you, you pay attention and take me serious. I have my ears to the ground in this palace. Listen, I know it has to do with Choma.
Exactly.
Just that I just cannot figure it out.
Everyone seems to be upset with her. Whatever it is not good at all.
That is not my business. I warned her. Yes, do not look at me like that because I warned her, but she chose not to listen to me. If she loses her job because of her attitude, it's not my business as well. It's her own cup of tea. I warned her as a friend, but she refused to listen. She did not listen to me. Listen, you and I know very well that the people of this royal household are selfish. They do not care about anyone.
Well, my own is, they should better pay me my salary because it's month end already. They have to pay me because I need to send money to someone.
To that your useless boyfriend, right? Girlfriend, I'm advising you now so you don't regret it later.
Hello.
Be careful.
Ebuka will soon be my husband. So, thanks for your advice. And again, I will regret nothing. Thank you.
If you say so.
By the way, why has Prince Afam not come back yet?
I beg leave that one, Jareo. As you see me like this, I am on my way before someone hears us and say we are gossiping.
Yo. My princess.
My princess.
Where's Chioma?
She went out to get soup. She's not back yet.
Let her save me as soon as she's back.
Okay, my princess.
Shebi, I talk am. I said it. Choma is in a big mess. I hope she gets out of it though.
I am not going inside the boy. I am not going into that house until your husband comes back. But today, one of us will reach to heaven. And one of us will reach to hell. And he will be the one to go to hell and report to devil.
I said, calm down now. Calm down. You're shouting. See, the neighbors are back. They are playing musical. They are around, so keep your voice down.
Let them play music so they will not hear us. You still have shame. You still have shame. Sell your shame and buy war material. Because war has come. Do you understand? I'm going to remain here till he... Open the gate for him. Nonsense.
Emeka, what's the meaning of this?
Die in the car, don't come out. You will die inside the car.
Let me come out now. What's wrong with you?
Die here, don't need us coming out. Don't come out. What has come?
Let me come out of the car.
Come out. Come out and die.
Emeka, bring your voice down.
Come out and die.
What's your problem now?
Come out and die. Where is my...
Voice down, just killing me.
Where is my pen knife? You still have mouth to ask me.
Emeka, what's this?
You still have mouth to ask me.
What's going on?
Listen, let me tell you. Today, you will reach
In fact, angels of God, prepare. Somebody is coming. Prepare. Somebody is coming. Use snail and gizzard to prepare for his burial. Because he's coming there. You want?
Ebube what? Don't even try to Ebube me. Don't try it. Fight your fellow man. Fight your fellow man.
Let me kill you. Ebube. You want to die? You stop me. You want to die? Hold your brother. Hold your brother. Get back. Choose where I will stab you. If you come here, you will die. Get back. If you come here, you will die. Get back. If you come here, you will die. Get back. I will kill you. I should call policeman. You want to call police? You want to call police? Ebube.
Ebube what? Let me try the lie. Let me try the lie.
Let me kill you. Come.
Fight your fellow man.
I will kill you. I should call policeman. I'm going to kill you. I should call policeman.
Which police?
You want to call police? Yes. Get mad. He wants to call police. You are watching him. Come inside. Let me kill you inside. He want to stab me. Come inside. Let me kill you inside the house so nobody will know.
Let's go inside.
Come inside. Let me kill you.
Leave him.
Come inside. Let me kill you. Leave who?
He's scared.
He's dying now.
He cannot call anybody.
You see him? This is ghost walking. Because as for you, once you come inside that place, come.
Leave him alone. This one, he's scared. He cannot do anything.
You are beating my sister. I will kill you today.
Eh?
Let him come inside. Let me kill him inside. Come, let's go inside.
Where?
Come inside. Let me kill you inside. Come, nobody will know. Come inside.
Inside, come and die in peace. So yeah, Robbie, come and die in peace.
So this is your plan. Come. This is your plan. He wants to call police. Come.
This is your plan.
Police. So you brought your brother to come and kill me, Ebube? Eh? Get man. Get man. Come here. I'm sorry. I said come here. I'm sorry. Come here. I don't know that. I said come here. So you opened the gate for them to come and kill me. I don't know that you gate for them. Come and kill me. You are my wife. You are leaving this house today. Yes. So they want to kill me in my own house. In my own house. Eh? I'm calling her. What? You are leaving this house. I'm calling her. Ebube.
What kept you? Chuma, I'm talking to you. What kept you?
Just leave me alone.
Chuma!
What?
You are in trouble, oh. The queen wants to see you. And Princess Amanda came to look for you as well.
What did I do again? What did I do again now? Eh?
I can't say, my friend.
Where have you been? You are here.
Greetings, my queen.
I went to buy soap. But when I got there, the woman was not around. So I had to wait for her.
Oh, it's all right. Come with me. I hope you have eaten. Joy, take the soap from her and the change. Go dish her food and bring it to my room now. My darling, come after me, okay?
My queen, I should bring her food to your room.
You heard me, exactly.
My queen, it's your room. Oh.
I know, and I want you there. So come with me. Don't keep me waiting. Come after me now.
Hey, I'm sure I did nothing wrong. Yeah. Somebody tell me what have I done right? Hey, I'm sure I did nothing wrong.
I thought you said you told her to come.
I did, Mom. That girl can be very lousy. I hate her with passion.
Amanda, you don't have to say that. Mind how you talk to her. What could be keeping her?
Come inside.
My queen, my princess, my queen.
What is it? Where is Choma?
She's back, my queen. Queen Mother took her to her room.
What?
Yes, my princess. My queen, you will not believe it. Queen Mother asked me to serve Choma's meal in her room. Yes, as I am talking to you, Choma is relaxing in her room. She's even crossing her legs too. I said I should come and tell you because I know this information will be useful for you. So that's why I came.
Get out.
Yes, my princess. Mom, I have to go there and bring her myself. I told you, these people always want to be ahead of us. Afam, what is wrong with you? Where is my son? What do we do now?
Choma, you don't want to eat your food. Eat your food, eat it.
My queen, I am not ready to eat in your bedroom.
Why? Why are you talking like that? Are you not a human being like me? We are all the same. You are a human being. Eh? I called you just to make you feel at home. Eh? Because you left the palace angry. With the way my son treated you. You are angry. So I called you to really pacify you and make you feel happy again. Oh?
My queen, you are right. The prince was accusing me of doing something that made the king to fall. And Princess Amanda, she's seriously threatening me. I don't know what I did. I don't know who I offended here.
No, you didn't offend anybody. You didn't do anything wrong. That is what I want to correct right now. The way people are treating you here, I don't like it. Please, we are sorry. Forgive me. Forgive myself. Even that Princess Amanda, forgive her. Oh, don't take it to heart. Oh, I beg you. So eat your food.
Can somebody tell me what I have done wrong? Oh, I have no intention of hurting anybody. I, from the left and the right, all I feel is bitterness, tears and sorrow is the order of the day. Can somebody tell me what have I done to deserve this punishment? Sometimes I feel like to run away, cause my job is just to cry all day. From one allegation to the other, things are not in order. I don't seem to understand anything anymore. Hey, I'm sure I did nothing wrong. Yeah, somebody tell me what have I done? Hey, I'm sure I did nothing wrong. Hey, so why the treatment and why the hatred on me? Hey, I'm sure I did nothing wrong. Hey,
You know, all of us are the same before God. Eh? We are one. Whether king, whether queen, princess, bourgeois, prince, we are all the same. Papa, we are all one before God. Because the same red blood that flows in everybody flows in you, flows in me. So we are one before God. So feel free with us. Oh?
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome. Chima, do you know I even had a dream that you saved the whole community? That from that dream, I knew you were going to be a great girl. I said, let me start now to identify before I lose everything.
Really?
Yes. Wow. You are the apple of God's eye, so don't be angry with anybody again. Even me, anybody, my son. You know my son, he has become a changed person. Chima, that Chima I know before, he's not the same again. He's now humble and gentle. So enjoy your home, feel at home. Oh, you are one. How are you, darling?
Thank you, Mom.
So big, welcome.
Thank you.
So sit.
Choma, how are you?
Sit.
Why are you eating here?
Don't talk to her like that.
Mom, wait.
No, come down, sit. I will explain everything to you. Sit. Don't worry about Johnny. Jim, sit and eat your food, oh?
I'm full.
Sit and eat your food.
No, I'm full. I'm full.
I'm full, my queen. Thank you, my queen. Nothing. Nothing. Just calm down. I will explain everything to you. You see, I had a great dream about Chioma, so I wanted to familiarize with her, so that she can feel free with us.
Dream come.
You scared her now.
Dream come, dream.
Eh? Can't you imagine nonsense? What is he doing outside? Hope he's not calling police. It's like I will start going back to the village.
Are you afraid of police?
Me?
Emeka?
Afraid of police?
You will not call any police. Don't be scared.
It's not that I'm afraid of police. I'm not afraid of police. Do you understand? It's just that I don't like city police. I don't like the smell of their cell. I don't like it. That's why I don't like. It's not that I'm afraid of police. Come to the village police. They know me. Eh?
I think you're afraid though.
I'm not afraid.
You are afraid.
I'm not afraid.
Don't be afraid. My husband does not know anybody. You will not call any police.
It's alright.
It's okay.
If it's not possible, let me start going back. No need.
Emeka, my in-law.
Can we talk?
Oga, where's your police? Where's your police?
So you went to call police for me? Your in-law. You went to call police for me. Casemen will gather. Casemen will gather for this case.
Emeka, I did not call any police at all. Actually, I was shocked when you attacked me with knife. I know your sister must have told you a lot.
Did you or did you not beat her?
Okay.
Did you or did you not beat her? When you know that she's not feeling too well? Eh? You use my sister to learn boxing. Okay.
It's just a family misunderstanding, okay? See, your sister here is giving me tough time.
If she's giving you tough time, you give her cool time.
Thank you, my brother.
You give her cool time. Listen, let me tell you. The reason you are still seeing this house like this is because I've not seen fuel and matches. Once I see fuel and matches, I'm burning this house down until you appease me. You will see it. You'll be watching it. The house will be going to your house.
Stop all this disarray. Let's discuss as a man.
Discuss as which man? Your brother-in-law came to your house. Not even drink. Not go.
Listen, see, Emeka. I want you and I to have understanding.
You have understanding?
Yes.
Eh? When your brother-in-law, the only brother-in-law you have, because none of your sisters are married, eh? The only brother-in-law you have came to your house. He did not offer me cola. Eh? He did not offer me anything. The only thing you could offer me is police. Police. You are threatening me with police. Let your police come. Let them come. I will tell them that I'm familiar with village police.
You are shutting me in my own house.
If I said that, what will you do?
What?
I am telling you, something is going on in this palace. Something is wrong somewhere.
For her to be eating in the queen's room, it means there is trouble looming in this palace.
Maybe the queen poisoned her food. Yes! Even Princess Amanda was not happy that the first queen took her into her room, served her meal with a bottle of water.
No. It's either Chioma went to her mother to give her a charm, or she came back to this palace with a charm. You will see it now. Because from what is happening, Chioma came to this palace with a charm.
What's the gossip all about?
Nothing, my princess.
Ndiasir, get me my food.
So,
yes, Father.
I am happy that you have come to understand that the joy of your aging father is very important to you.
Why not, Father? If I don't make you happy, who will?
Ask me.
I'm your first seed, Father. Your first son. So it is my responsibility, and utmost joy, actually, to see that you smile. Yes. So it is fine. Once the maiden finds it in her to like me, then we can take it from there.
No. You make her like you. Why are you a handsome rich prince? The heir to the throne. Come in.
Dad!
Oh, my angel.
Dad?
I've missed you.
Missed you too.
I know.
Trip looks good on you.
I know.
You do that own now. Alright, so I'll let you bond with Daddy while I speak briefly with Mom.
Oh, please make it count.
Alright, Father. See you again soon.
Fine.
I'm so happy. I'm happy to see you again.
So this is what you want to do? Okay.
Stay out of this. Stay out of this.
Come on, police. In-law, you call police for me. You call police to arrest me.
Yes.
Your in-law, after begging me. Yes. And he called you people and you came. Okay, you people will see.
Listen. Stay out of this. Okay?
This is my brother.
I said stay out of this.
My brother, please.
You think I will beg you? Look. If you move, I will move this marriage.
You will deal with me. You will deal with me after beating my sister. Officer. Can somebody beat your sister and you agree?
Keep quiet.
Okay.
Keep quiet.
I will go and come back home.
I will deal with you. Push over.
Okay, push over.
I'm not a... Look, if you pass there, I will move this marriage.
Okay.
If you move, I will move this marriage.
Okay.
You will think I'll beg you.
John.
Take him. Oh yeah, move it. You take it. You should take it. Okay. You should not take it. If you pass there, I will move this marriage. Sit down. I said sit down there. If you move, I will move this marriage. No, sir. I said sit down there.
Okay.
I'm going to push over.
Okay. My brother, please.
I'm going to push over.
Okay? Please, okay. I've had. Oh, my son! You're welcome.
Greetings, my prince.
Okay, come on. I'm so happy. Wow. Come on. I'm great. Okay. Wow, you're looking good.
You too, you don't look bad.
You're looking. Wow.
Mom, I don't know how this is going to play out, but it's going to be tough. I had to lie to the king.
Good.
I told him that I would do it just to make him happy.
Beautiful. You did well. So you have to pay the girl off. Wait, this girl we're talking about, isn't as if she's ugly. Just that she needs maintenance. So when you put small effort in her, she'll come out beautiful.
But Mom, why would Dad do a thing like this? Brother is his first son.
Yes. And your father is the king. So he has every right to do as he wishes. I just contacted his lawyer. And he said, it is his empire, his money. So he can give anyone that makes him happy, whatever he likes. So our own is to try to make him happy, even if we don't like it.
How do I even begin to get acquainted with a local village maid, Mother? How?
Chima, the game just begun. She just left now. Don't worry. And make sure you're able to talk to her. So calm down. You two should relax.
What? Why must he do that?
Nobody knows. Where's my son, please? Let us try and make him happy. That is my own.
Yes.
Mommy, is this why you called me? Mom, see, I am not a hungry man. I am not hungry. So I don't care who he gives his business empire or half of his wealth. I don't care.
Please, brother, don't say that.
This is very important. No amount of wealth is enough.
And so? So because of that, you want me to stoop so low for a commoner, a common palace maid? Is that what you want me to do? Eh? See, I already have someone in mind to get married to. So I am not in for this game.
My son, Biko, please, I beg you, do this for me. I already promised the king that you are going to make him proud. That you don't have anyone in your life. Okay, imagine your brother, Chema. He came home with a girl he wants to marry. But I think because of this, he's planning to abandon that girl to marry the palace maid.
What?
Yes.
Chima wants to go down to that level?
This is for you to understand how he needs this daddy's wealth. Pico, you have to key into this. Don't make daddy see you as if his happiness is not important to you. Pico.
Anyway, Mom, I don't think I can do this. Let me greet the king first. Then.
Why would your brother do this to me? Eh? I am finished.
Mom, seriously, I'm not happy with that trauma of a girl. What did she use to hold dad? When did she start working here? Eh?
John, I'm warning you, go and bring out my brother. Go and bring out my brother, John. Okay.
You and your brother Emeka are not saying anything.
Okay.
Yes. Your brother Emeka will rot in jail.
Okay.
For stepping into my compound and attacking me with a weapon.
Okay.
Yes. At least this one will sound as a warning to you. For you to start respecting me as your husband.
Okay. That's fine. The way my brother will rot in jail is the way you will rot in this house. Come and go out and
Okay, leave me alone.
Okay.
Look, I will break your neck. Leave me alone.
Break it.
I will break your neck.
Break
Leave me alone.
it.
One.
Break it. My neck is here.
One.
Break it.
Two.
Break it.
Three.
Break it. Break it.
Dad, my joy now is that you're back on your feet again. But I think you need proper medication.
I will be fine. I will be okay. All I need is my happiness. I have made my proclamation, and there is where I stand. I hope your mother told you.
Yes, that she did. But I don't think that should be the thing that will make you happy.
Are you in my heart? Are you me? Son, listen. One day, you will be as old as I am now. Then you will know how important it is to value happiness at old age. This is why every man strives to be rich, so that they can be happy during their old age. So if my children love me, let them give it to me. But if you say it is not important, I will not force anybody. No problem. But just have it in mind that my wealth will be spent however I want it, however I choose to spend it. And if I find a commoner who finds that girl interesting and marries her, I will give him my wealth. In fact, I will have to speak with the guards, since you and your brother don't want my happiness.
No, Dad, don't. Not so. Please, do not think that way. Dad, I already have in mind of someone I want to get married to. And I'm sure Chima has too. So it's going to be hard for us to just switch mood. Can't you understand?
It's okay. I do. But also try to understand when I make my choice on how I want to use half of my wealth. Please, I want to rest.
Many will say I need you, but only what they want is what they stand to gain. True love is
I don't know. Whatever this is, I am no longer comfortable. And I may run away any moment from now. I'll run away. I'm tired.
Babe, I'm really afraid for you. You really have to be careful. You just have to.
God knows I didn't do anything to anyone.
You didn't do anything. I know.
Hey. Come with me right now. And if you waste my time, I will smack your head. You know what I can do? Idiot.
Somebody tell me what have I done? Hey, I'm sure I did nothing wrong. Hey, so why the treatment?
Please,
Why
save this girl, please.
Where's that stupid girl? Come inside! Rubbish! On your knees. Fast!
Amanda, what is it?
Mom, please, just hold on. Start talking! Before I design your face with a slap. Where did you get your charm from? Tell me!
Amanda, calm down. I told you to bring her here. I did not ask you to start asking her silly questions. What is your problem?
Mom, please. She has to tell us now. What is so special about this thing here? Eh?
My queen, I'm so sorry. I didn't do anything to anyone. I don't use charm. I don't know what is going on. I'm afraid.
No?
My son.
Afam.
My God. Choma. Hey.
You know her?
What a world. Choma, what are you doing here? What is going on?
I don't understand. Sorry. What's going on? What are you doing here?
I've been looking for you for a long time now. How am I dreaming? Oh my God.
You. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. This is my place. I am the second prince of this kingdom.
What?
Yes. Oh my God.
Yes, Choma.
It's a dream.
He is my son. Do you know him?
No. Choma.
Where is she? Where is Choma? Mama, my princess. She went along with Princess Amanda.
Come here.
Where are you going to?
My princess, I'm going.
Choma, wait! Choma, please don't do this, please.
I want to go to my house.
Choma, please don't do this. What have I done? Eh? What have I done to you? Please don't do this.
Afam, you have done nothing wrong to me. But my life is at stake here. I'm going. I can't stay. I'm going.
Choma.
From the left and the right, all I feel is bitterness. Tears and sorrow is the order of the day. And somebody tell me what have I done?
Choma.
What is it? Nothing. I'm done. I'm leaving this palace.
But whatever it is, I am done with this job.
I don't know what happened though. Eh? Choma, what is it now?
Choma, tell us now.
What did Prince Afam do to you? Talk to me.
Nothing, but I don't want to do this job anymore. And I don't want to be a salary. There's no problem, I can keep it.
What going through? She ran out with speed. Prince Afam followed her, and now she says she doesn't want to walk again. Choma! Choma, talk to me now. What is the problem?
Choma, can you talk to us? Tell us what the problem is.
Both of you can continue working here. Honestly, God is my witness that I appreciate you for getting this job for me. But at this point, I say, Yadiba.
Choma.
I say bye-bye.
Choma, talk to me now. At least tell me what happened. What is it?
I'm going to meet my mother. Choma!
Where are you going with your bag? What is the problem? Huh? What is it? Where are you going with the bag? Give it here, give it back down. Oh, hey, where are you going now? Don't do this now. Eh? Why are you like this? Chima, talk to her now, please.
My queen. I'm sorry I didn't tell you.
What is it? Ogini.
I don't want to work in the palace again.
Hey, don't talk like that now. Choma, why? Why? Did anybody offend you? Eh?
Nothing, I just don't feel comfortable anymore working here.
Choma, you know that you can talk to me. Huh? What did our farm do to you?
Nothing. I want to leave.
Please, don't do this. Please. Please, I'm begging you, don't do this.
Afam, what have you done to her?
My friend, mind your business. Just mind your business. If I'm power on, mind your business. Else I'll blow you. Mind your business.
You see now? You see? How they shut up? Shut up! Have you seen what you book on? Shut up! Have you seen it? Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Go digger!
Oh, I'm
Go
beating your
digger!
God now. Fool.
Shut up! Animal!
Idiot. Look at
Do
you.
you even understand?
Look at her! Look at her!
You want to
Rubbish.
punch me? You want to punch me?
Punch you.
Do you even know the gravity of what you've done? Do you know how important that girl's work is to the king?
Meaning what?
Pretender.
Eh?
You don't know what you did.
Just mind your business. Yes, I'll give you a blow. I'll blow your mouth.
You win there! Me alone, I can face all of you put together.
Afam, you're biting more than you can chew.
Are you okay for now? Oh dear.
Very soon your day will come.
It has come already.
Point fingers at me.
Your day
What will
will
you do?
come.
Point fingers at
And
me.
what will you do? Will you shut up and live here?
Oh no, my hand, man. Don't hold him.
Don't even point at me. Don't even point at me. What I cost me what? What will you do?
Please, whatever. Let him be. Let him
What's
be.
that?
Leave it to me.
It's okay. Let him be, please.
I'll blow you. Get the call out of here. Now, let me be.
Leave it to me. I will handle it.
Can somebody tell me what I have done wrong? I have no intention of hurting anybody.
I'm going to take this land, no. I'm not going to take this land. This is nonsense. This is not right. Too much insult from our family. Mom, it's not right.
Chima, calm down. They must stay here and plan out something. They can't win that girl over me. I don't want the king to come there and see us fighting.
No, Mom. Mom, no. Afam slapped me, Mom. I won't take it. God knows I won't take this from him. This war has started. I have a deadly gift for Afam. I will not take it, Mom. I won't take it.
Can you please calm down? Huh? Trust me, your mother. I will not be alive and see them win that girl over me. They can't have that girl. Not now, not ever.
Mom, you pushed me into this in the first place. If you ask me, all of this is unnecessary. Honestly. That girl is way out of my league. Why am I doing this?
I am sorry, but you must do it. You have to do it.